Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. It's a Zurich sale, 7 days only. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, 2 deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. Zurich sale, 7 days. It says 8-inch professional automotive scanner, 4,444. That is the snap-on version, according to this, and just under $1,000 with this coupon. We do have a video online, I guess. You can probably just search it on YouTube. But yeah, there were mixed reviews on this. It does have 4.5 stars. It seems like it doesn't do just about all the features that you would want, like something like that. Like I believe some of the issues were that you can't print directly out of here, something like that. So I couldn't tell you specifics about this item because I haven't used it, or I'm not a professional mechanic. Definitely, if you're gonna be spending $1,000, I would definitely do my own research, watch a lot of videos, obviously read a lot of reviews on it. Make sure that it's the product you're going to be getting. It is cheaper than other products, and from what I heard, it does do just about everything that the most expensive ones do. There's only some features that it doesn't have, so if that doesn't bother you, then this should be the right tool for you. You got OBD2 code reader, $39.99. OBD2 code reader with live data, ZR8, $84.99. We got the ZR11. This is with ABS, I guess, $119.99. And then you got the OBD2 code reader, ABS SRS, Fixed Assistant. ZR13, $169.99. You got new, save incredible new tools. Titanium beats ESAB, $649 for that coupon, and that is the Titanium 200 amp multi-process welder. So this is the 240 and 120 volt welder that they have, so you can use either or. And then you got two submersible trailer lights, $29.99. And then you got the 24 feet 18 bulb 12 socket outdoor string lights, $19.99. These are new. The white ones are nice. 150 pound capacity rooftop mounted steel cargo carrier, $69.99. 2.7 LCD inspection camera, $69.99. 3.5 LCD inspection camera, $159.99. You got the 1/2 inch digital torque wrench, $149.99. You got the 3/8 digital torque wrench, $139. And then you got the Bauer chainsaw, $69.99. Tool only, just remember that. You got the jet flam blower, $49.99. Edge trimmer, $39.99. The Deno Tools did some reviews on these two, I believe, and he said they were pretty good. So I haven't done any reviews myself, but you can check out the Deno Tools. I'll see if I can link up the channel. If not, then just put the Den of Tools, and then just on YouTube search, and you can find these reviews. You got 5-inch random orbit sander, $34.99. 7-piece professional nut driver set, $14.99. I did do the review on the regular screwdrivers, and they were really good quality. So I don't know about the longevity, but from what I could use them, and the grip, and pretty much the magnets, everything worked fine on those. I mean, they were just the nicer screwdrivers. You got the 3/8 by 50 industrial grade retractable air hose reel, $149.99. That is Earthquake XT. You got the Chief 1/2 inch professional reversible air drill, $74.99. 3/8 professional reversible, $59. I haven't used any of these. They look pretty good, but yeah, definitely look at the reviews on these. Roller carry-on case. This is more like a suitcase, $67.88. You got the 1.1 cubic feet gun safe or floor safe, $94.99. This is the newer one too. Harbor Freight Tools bucket, $2.99. This should be a free item. So Harbor Freight, if you're listening to this video or watching this video, we need a free coupon for this, at least for maybe a once a year or twice a year thing. That'll be nice. Have something like that, maybe on Christmas or 4th of July or whatnot, Inline desiccant dryer filter, $5.99. 2x5 yards thread tape, $9.99. 1,500 lumen LED rechargeable arc light, $39.99. So this is battery operated, very high efficiency LEDs, regular lightweight housing, wide stable base with skid resistant feet, adjustable light angles, large grab handle. Nice. Gotta check it out. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tutorials, 2 deals. And just remember, this Tuesday I will be doing the unboxing for the inflator, and then we'll see what goes from there. If I do the test and review or just the unboxing, so we'll see what happens. Anyways, we'll see you guys then. Thank you.